Hello, my name is Vanessa Gallego, and today I will be showing you how to create a clustered column chart in Excel. For this assignment, I will use a previous assignment that I have done in this class with already pre-entered data. So to begin with, we want to go to the Net Sales tab. So to the Net Sales tab on the bottom, where it says Data, Sales, Net Sales and Series, we want to click the Net Sales tab. The next step is to highlight the data that we want to be used for our clustered column chart. For this specific assignment, we'll be highlighting the data from column A3 to D7. So here's column A and here's row 3. You'll click and drag the cursor all over column D and down to row 7. As you can see, all the data is highlighted. Next, over here at the top bar, we will click the Insert tab. Towards the middle, where the chart section's at, there is, in this little corner, a tab that says Column if you put your mouse over it. You'll click this tab. In the first row, under the 2D Column tab, the first one, if you put your mouse over it, says Clustered Column. This is the one we want to use, so we'll click that. As you can see, our clustered column is now inserted into our worksheet. Next, for this assignment, we want to position the chart to be in the top left-hand corner of cell A9. So you put your mouse over it, and so it changes into 4 arrows, and you will drag it all the way to column cell A9 and position it perfectly. There we go. Next, for this assignment, we want to change the chart width and chart height. To do this, you'll right-click over the chart. You'll scroll down to where it says Format Chart Area. Over here, you'll see that it says Format Chart Area, a little box, and it says Chart Options and Text Options. You want to stay on the chart option. Right below it is the Fill and Line, the Effects, and the Size and Properties. We want to change the width and height, which is located under Size and Properties, so click Size and Properties. Here you will see all that information where you can change the height and width, etc. For this assignment, we want to change the width to 4.66 inches. So you will type in this box 4.66. Oops. And you want our height to be 2.9. So we'll type 2.9. Then you will just press enter and it will automatically change the chart height and width. Then you will just close this out and everything will be changed. So that is all. We had just inserted a column cluster chart into our Excel sheet using our previous data, and we have formatted the height and width of the chart. Now you can just click save and you can save it under whatever document you'd like. Thank you for watching my tutorial.